Good morning, students. So, this is your maths book. Chapter number 1, we have already done large numbers. Today, we will do chapter number 2, and the chapter name is Roman numerals. Okay, what is the chapter name? The chapter name is Roman numerals. So, students, you have read about Roman numerals in your previous class. Okay, today we will know what is the rule to write down Roman numerals. Look here. Roman numerals up to 39 are formed from three symbols I, V and X. Using another two symbols, namely L and C, we can easily form Roman numerals up to 100. Okay, students. So, to write down Roman numerals, we use genuinely 5 symbols. And what is the 5 symbols? The 5 symbols are I, V, X, L and C. Okay. So these 5 symbols are used to write down Roman numerals. Let me see. Thus the 5 symbols that are used to form Roman numerals up to 100 are I, V, X, L and C. So look, students. I, it means 1. V, it means 5. X, it means 10. L, it means 50. C, it means 100. Okay, students. Now, rule number 1. What is the rule number 1? The rule number 1 is when a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, the value of the numerals is obtained by adding the value of the symbol as many times as it is repeated. Okay, students. So we have to repeated any symbols twice or thrice. We can't repeated these symbols more than thrice. ओके ये जो सिम्बल्स हम स्टूडेंट्स यूज़ करते हैं रोमन न्यूमरल्स लिखने के लिए आई, वी, एक्स, एल एंड सी, हम इन नंबर्स को मोस्टली 2 और 3 टाइम्स ही रिपीट कर सकते हैं. इन सिम्बल्स को हम मोर देन 2 और 3 टाइम्स रिपीट नहीं कर सकते. इट मीन्स 3 टाइम्स से ज़्यादा आप इन सिम्बल्स को यूज़ नहीं कर सकते. दैट प्रोसेस इज रॉन्ग टू राइट डाउन रोमन न्यूमरल्स. लेट वी सी. इफ यू आर राइटिंग हियर I, it means 1 plus 1 and the number is 2. ओके तो स्टूडेंट्स जब भी आप किसी सिंबल को ट्वाइस या थ्राइस रिपीट कर रहे हैं, इट मीन्स यू हैव टू एडेड द वैल्यू ऑफ द सिंबल. आपको उस सिंबल की जो वैल्यू है उसी जितनी टाइम आपने रिपीट किया है उतनी ही टाइम आपको ऐड करने हैं. देन यू हैव टू फाइंड अनदर वैल्यू. ओके now 3, when you have to write down I plus I plus I, when you are writing down I thrice time, that the value is 3. Same here. X, you know the value of X is 10. we have read here the value of x is 10, and when we are repeated it twice, then its value 20, and when we are repeated x 3 times, then its value 30. Okay students, so what we have know, when we are repeating any symbols twice or thrice, then we have to add it वैल्यू ऑफ दोज सिम्बल्स, हमें उन सिम्बल्स की वैल्यू ऐड करनी है. क्लियर इज ना. व्हाट इज द रूल नंबर 2? व्हेन अ सिंबल इज रिटन टू द राइट ऑफ वन ऑफ ग्रेटर वैल्यू, वी ऐड इट्स वैल्यू टू द वैल्यू ऑफ द सिंबल ऑन इट्स लेफ्ट. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस? जब भी आप किसी सिंबल को ग्रेटर सिंबल के राइट साइड लिख रहे हो, सो यू हैव टू ऐड द वैल्यू ऑफ दो सिंबल. आपको उन सिंबल की वैल्यू को ऐड करनी है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, लेट्स सी हियर वी आई. यू नो द वैल्यू ऑफ वी इज 5 and I it means 1. So we have to add value of those symbol. Its value is 6 now. Same here, you know the value of L is 50 and the value of X is 10. So the value of 60. So whenever we have to write down 60, we will write LX. Clear students? Now let me see rule number 3. When a symbol is written to the left of one of greater value, we subtract its value from the value of the symbol on its right. Look students very carefully. What is the rule number 3? If you are writing any symbol to the left side of the greater number, then you have to subtract this time. Clear? In rule number 2, we know when we are writing any symbol to the right side of the greater number, then we have to add. अगर हम greater number के right side किसी symbol को लिख रहे हैं तो वहाँ हमें add करना है, और अगर हम किसी symbol को greater number के left side लिख रहे हैं वहाँ हमें subtract करने हैं. Clear? So let me see example. If you are writing IV, so you know the value of V is 5. V is greater, okay, greater number, okay. I it means 1, V it means 5. So here is written lower number to the left side of greater number. greater number के left side में lower number लिखे हैं. Okay, so V 5 greater number, I 1 smallest number. Okay, so we have to subtract here 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Same here, XL. We know the value of L is 50. So 50 is greater and the value of X is 10. So 10 is smallest value. So we have to subtract here 50 minus 10, 40. So whenever you have to writing down Roman number of 40, how you will write X and L? XL. Now let me see rule number 4. For numbers beyond 10, we first write the number in group of tens and ones, and then form the Roman numeral corresponding to the given number. Okay students, अगर कोई number for number beyond 10, okay, 10 से ऊपर आ जाते हैं 17, 12, okay, 22, 38, 39, 42. Okay, so how we can write down 10 plus 7, 17. So how we will write 17? The value of greater number Okay, the value of greater number 10 and its symbol is x. Okay, यहाँ पे greater value क्या है 10 और इसकी symbol क्या है x. So first we will write down here x and then v 5 and I 7. Now you can write down x, the value of x is 10, then plus, sorry, once again look here, the value of x is 10, then we have to add here v, it means 5, then we have to add I, it means 1, and once again we have to add I, it means 1. So 10 plus 5 15, then 1 16, and then 17. So how can we write down it? We write down 17 x v I. Let me see the example of 22. How you can write down 22? 10 plus 10 plus 2. Okay, 10 plus 10 plus 2. So the value is greater here, 10 plus 10, and the symbol of 10 is x. So here we will repeat x and x, and then we have to write down here symbol of 2 I and I. So x I is the symbol of 22. Okay students, so we have to write down like this. I hope you must have understood these rules. Let you see the table is here given here. Okay, so you have to write down Roman numbers 1 to 15 in your notebook. Okay, once again you will read this table, don't learn it, only you will try to understand the rules. Once again you will read all the rules and then you have to try to write down yourself. Okay, so I hope you must have understood your chapter Roman numerals. Goodbye, have a nice day.